Introducing our 3D printed video laryngoscopes, a cost-effective alternative to expensive traditional models. They can be connected to laptops, iPhones, or Android devices using various USB connections, allowing live laryngoscopy footage to be viewed on these screens. They are available in different sizes for both pediatric and adult patients. The camera cable includes a light adjustment switch for optimal viewing. A 3D printed mount is also available to attach mobile phones to the laryngoscope handle. For intubating this adult patient, we have connected the camera cable to a laptop, using the screen for a clear, magnified live view, facilitating easy intubation with options for recording or taking images. In this pediatric case, the video laryngoscope is again connected to a laptop via the camera's USB cable. As we mentioned, the camera cable can also be attached to mobile devices using USB-C or Lightning connections, providing a clear and magnified view with options for recording or taking images. Now, let's discuss how to perform high-level disinfection for these devices. The first step is to wash and brush clean the laryngoscope and camera cable. While washing the camera cable, ensure that the USB connection remains dry. All other parts are washable. After cleaning, immerse the laryngoscope and camera cable in Sidex. You might have to place a heavy object on the lightweight 3D printed laryngoscope to fully submerge it. For the camera cable, make sure that the USB connection port is kept outside the Sidex solution. After 10 to 20 minutes, remove the laryngoscope and camera cable with sterile gloves, rinse with sterile water. And dry them with a sterile towel. Finally, place them inside a sterile cover and seal it. Your budget-friendly video laryngoscope is now ready for its next use.